NordVPN app fast and secure, so let's just install it on iPhone. It's one of the most popular VPN apps out there. Looking for a way to stay private online. Here it is with NordVPN. One tap is all you need to hide your IP address, encrypt your traffic, and enjoy the internet without limits. NordVPN is an easy-to-use VPN app for iPhone and iPad, trusted by millions of users worldwide. It shields your online activities from nosy advertisers, malicious actors, and intrusive internet service providers by encrypting your internet traffic. So here you can just see it. This is the idea, and then to create an account, you just can go and you can just use your Google or Apple. Just go in here, and then you can just instantly create your account super easily. Let's see if it works. All right, so now yep, that's the idea. And then VPN not connected in the top, so you can see so MeshNet is your own private network of remote devices, which you can also try. And there are statistics, then there is your profile, and then so get subscription. So there is 50%, so get free 1 GB eSIM data. So there is 1 month subscription, 1 year plus 1 GB eSIM. So that's pretty cool eSIM plan, which you can try. eSIM meaning it's like digital SIM card, which you can use, to use data when you are traveling. So this is only available for newer iPhones. So yep, that's the idea. And then unfortunately this app NordVPN, it's it requires only paid subscription, and then, for example, as I understand, not even in United States or Canada you can't connect for free. So this is a really quality VPN, but unfortunately it doesn't have free plans at the moment. So yep, that's what it is.